In India's second quarter GDP, India's economic growth is likely to slow down to 6.5% in the September quarter. Now, this would be the slowest pace in 6 quarters. In fact, we have Gaurav joining in with more updates on what really is being penciled in. Gaurav?
Well, yes, we will get the final print on the GDP growth rate today. But when we talk about expectation now, experts are believing that we may see a slowdown for the third consecutive quarter. We may see this number coming out to 6.5%. Now, when we talk about the range of this projection, it is ranging between 6.2 to 6.8%, but the more bias is towards the 6.5% level. Now, what are the reasons what can lead this 6.5% growth is that we have already seen some of the lagging indicators for second quarter. So, we have got heavy rainfall, which actually disrupted the mining activities. Other than that, when we talk about merchandise exports, they have also slowed down. When we talk about some of the challenges, we have already seen some of the margins of the companies coming down, and these challenges will offset some of the positive points like increase in capex, and that is the reason why experts believe that 6.5% growth is what we can see for second quarter of FY25. Now, let's not forget that RBI has projected that the 7% growth could be seen for the second quarter. So, if the number comes up, it will be lower than RBI's expectation, and it will also be the third consecutive quarter where we will see the slowdown, and it will also be the sixth quarter where the growth will be at the lowest level. Other than that, when we talk about some of the Q2 highlights, we have already seen passenger vehicle sales have gone down from its 10 quarter level. When we talk about some two-wheeler sales also, we saw some slowdown here. And when we talk about some of the corporates like HUL, they have already shown some kind of slowdown in terms of the results, and that is the reason why consumer spending is also have gone down is what we believe. And lastly, when we talk about some coming quarters, now experts believe that second half is going to be a portion where we may see some kind of growth coming up, but for now they are expecting 6.5% growth. If we pencil in this growth for the first half of FY25, we will see India growing at 6.6% level, although higher than the other peers that the country has, but again lower if we compare it with the historical data. So definitely watching out on how the GDP growth pans out, because let's also not forget that we also have MPC meeting lined up in December. So it will definitely have some kind of impact on MPC meet as well as rate cut as well. So definitely a key thing to watch out for is the GDP growth data today.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.